The piston valve gives pneumatic load signal to the BCU pressure limiting valve. The various parts of the piston valve are valve tappet, piston housing, piston, consumer port A, supply port B, the control port Z, and exhaust port R, as the control pressure Z is applied. The piston in the housing is pushed downwards against the valve tappet of the actuating valve and against the spring force. Communication between the consumer port A and exhaust R is stopped. Communication between supply port B and consumer port A is opened. In the absence of the control pressure Z, the piston in the housing is moved to the upper end position by the spring-loaded valve tappet of the actuating valve. Communication between supply port P and consumer port A is stopped. The consumer port A is vented through the exhaust R.